out this taste sensation with our crispy honey butter chicken. The golden crispy crust meets a luscious honey butter glaze, creating a sweet and savory symphony, leaving your taste buds yearning for more. White pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, ginger slice. After you put all the spice in and just stir them completely.